What's up, everyone? You're in the layer where this stuff actually gets done without the flashy Instagram reels. But this is actually where the book and many of its predecessors and iterations was kind of beaten out and created from nothing. And so I'm pretty pumped to give you this little behind the scenes kind of journal entry to show you the last 4 or 5 years of putting these two projects together. Real quick before we get into this, you will have to have read $100 million offers and $100 million leads for this to make sense. It would, one, be a spoiler alert, and two, if you hadn't already read those books, it wouldn't make any sense. So go read those first, go through those courses first, and then go through this, and you'll have a way better and deeper understanding of the concepts, given these other additional lights and angles I'll show to you, and kind of the evolution of the concepts as they got built over time. And I think that in showing it this way, you'll actually be able to store it in different parts of your mind because you'll learn it in different ways. So it has a higher likelihood of solidifying, which is why I chose to take the time to do this.